Hello, welcome to the another video of this channel. In the last video, I showed you how to design custom thumbnail for the YouTube video using Figma, and today I am going to show you how to design this stuff, social media icon with text using Figma. So let's dive in. For those who are new to Figma, Figma is a design and prototyping tool. It has a generous free version and it also has a premium version. It comes as a desktop application and also as a web apps. For this tutorial, we'll use the web app. This is our Figma canvas. First, we will draw a frame. To draw a frame, click this icon, then from the drop down menu, click frame, then drag it here. So this is our frame. We can control its dimension, width and height from this right sidebar. Let's give this width of 450 pixel and a height 115. Yes. So this is our frame, and now we are going to place an Instagram icon inside this frame. To place the icon, click this hamburger menu, go to file, then click place image. And here it is a Instagram logo that I downloaded from the web. I am going to place it inside this frame. To place it, just click here. The icon is placed, but icon is way too large, so we are going to resize it. To resize this, because our frame is selected, if I drag this, our frame will be moved, but we want to move just icon. So we are going to click this Instagram logo layer and now drag the handle and we are going to place inside the frame. We are going to disable the ability to scale the height proportionally to the width, and we will give this width 100. Let's see if this works, and we'll give the height 109. It looks like this is working. The next thing, we want to have some white space in upper part and also in the bottom part. So we're going to increase the height of the frame a bit. Because in the first time we mistakenly selected the frame first, so our frame got resized. So give it the appropriate size, 450 and 115. Now place this image right at the center of this frame. Yes, so this looks perfect. Our icon have some white space around its edges. Now we are going to write a text that will contain our Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is @KSharifBD. I am going to write it now. To write a text, click this T icon here and click here. Let's write @KSharifBD. Now place it inside the frame, and we're going to horizontally center with the icon. Yes. So this is it. This is how I design social media icon with text for my YouTube video, and you can do it too. If you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel to get this type of video more in the future. I'll see you the next time. Bye.